Hello, boys and girls. It's time for math. Do you see the page behind me? Those hands are showing the number 9. So all of one hand and then 4 fingers on the other. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's how I like to count on from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I always ask myself what comes after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know I have 9 fingers all together, and we're going to be working with the number 9. So your learning target today is I can show different ways to write or make the number 9. So I just made it one way with my fingers, didn't I? So the next way we are going to do it is to write the number. So when we write a 9, we're going to start at the top and we're going to make like a big circle around, but we're not going to stop right there. We're going to go up to the belt line or the head line and go all the way down to the foot line. If there was a line, there will be over here. And the way that we spell the number 9, we can write it. So we have 1, 2 ways. Here's the third one. N. Oops. Let's just spell it first, and then that way you know. So touch underneath this letter is N, N-I-N-E, 9. So when there's an E at the end of a word, it makes the I say its name. It's called a bossy E. It says, say your name to the vowel before it. So N-I-N, 9. And then that's its only job. Then it's quiet. It's bossy, but then it doesn't say any sound after that. And we'll learn that more at the end of the year. But ends we make with a straight line down, tick, 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 curve up and down. And then I, of course, is a straight line down from the belt line when it's a lowercase. And then we put a dot, another N, straight line down, tick, 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 curve out and down. The E is straight line across, up and around. So remember, since we started our number book, 6 through 10, we've had to start making another cube. That one wasn't very straight. So we're going to make a square first, remember? And then we make a slanty line, slanty line, slanty line, and then we connect those 2 slanty lines and connect down. So now we have another cube. How about, look friends, I have a green die today. 6, remember, is the biggest number that we can do in a die. So we're going to do, on our first one, we'll do 3 dots in a column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're not to 9 yet. So let's count on our fingers how many more we need. 6, 7, 8, 9. So we need 3 more. Let's find what a 3 looks like on our dice. Look, friends. They're all on they're a diagonal. So that's what we'll do. 1, 2, 3. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9. We double check to make sure we have enough. So that's another way. We made it 1, 2, 3, 4 ways already. Then we know that there's 5 when that top row is filled with dots, right? This is a 10 frame, and when the top row is full, it's 5. And then, just like on the hands, that's 5. How many more do we need on the bottom row? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can count on from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we can count to make sure. Remember when I said we could count and see with the other hand because there was 5 fingers on one hand and 4 on the other. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we make it on a 10 frame just like we made it on our fingers. 5 on one on the top row, 4 on the bottom. All right, I'm going to erase, and then we can do this other page. Look, I found a domino, and I will put, where am I going to put the domino? I'll put it, can you see it right there? Yeah. Oops. So I'm going to erase all the other things. You can already do your nines. You can draw them and just follow the numbers. Make sure that you leave a finger space in between your nines, okay? It's up above, right here. You're gonna start at the 1 and circle around and then straight line from the headline to the foot line. And then rainbow write. Man, I've seen a lot of you doing some amazing rainbow writing in your number book. It's super cool. And then don't forget, you're going to have to draw another die. Square, slant, slant, slant. Connect those two. And then this one can have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we do this diagonal, remember, 7, 8, 9. And then you know how to do the 10 frame. If you got confused, you could look back onto the page that we already did. And then look over here, friends, at my domino. So there is 6, but it's slanted the other way, or it's turned the other way. 1, 2, 3. Do you see how this 6 goes down in columns? This one goes in rows across like that. Columns are straight up and down, rows are across. And then look, 6, and then it does the 1, 2, 3. It still does the slants. I bet if Howard were here, he would tell me how to make my tally mark for 5. I know that I make 4 straight lines down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I always stop after 4. And I make my slanted line down like a gate. Now I have 5, and I'll just count on from 5. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9. That's how we make the number 9. And then you're going to color in 9 stars. Choose your favorite color and do it. And then you'll be done. You can make a math choice. I've put a fun activity in your slideshow that has you lighting candles if you click on it. Go check it out. See you tomorrow.